Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage. I'm at the Colorado Springs You Pull and Pay. They got a 98 Jeep Wrangler TJ in, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to get down here and get some parts that I may need, as well as some other parts to resell and fund some future projects. So let me show you this thing. All right, as we're walking up to this thing, it doesn't look like it's in bad shape. I always collect grills, you guys know that, and I'm also looking to get some hard doors, rear axle, and things like that. So as you walk around this Jeep, overall it doesn't look like it's been a wreck. It's just kind of abandoned, and now they're selling it here. So let me give you a little bit closer look and tell you why this Jeep is a bust. So the first thing I look for in a Jeep when I get there is the rear axle to see if I can pick up another Dana 44. This one here has a Dana 35. Bummer. I'm in need of a hood for mine. This one has a nice big old crease right along the top there. Bummer. I was looking for a 32RH transmission. This one has it, which is good. However, they're only selling the engine, transmission, and transfer case as a whole because this is in the premium lot since they're hard to come by. And the rest of the condition that this Jeep's in, I think I'll pass on that as well. Bummer. How about hard doors? Hard doors are always a good thing to pick up if you can get them. These look to be in great shape. The only problem, they only open from the inside, which is a bummer, but that's easily fixed. But the rest of the door is in really rough shape. So you can see where they put some aftermarket, bolts and different screws in there trying to fix this thing. It would cost more to try to recondition these and sell them than it's worth it. Up here, this plastic trim broken right there. You go to the other side and it's even worse. So as you come over here, you can see how that trims up there, which, like I said, these things are repairable, but this one is in rough condition. This one also only opens up from the inside. And as you can see, the interior is in horrible condition as well. So I went in there and talked to the manager. They said that they would sell the doors for $80 a piece. But after looking at them and running the VIN on this Jeep, so the VIN brings the Jeep back to a Boston-based Jeep, which means rust. I don't know what the inside of those panels looks like, and I'm just not willing to take the risk, even at 80 bucks. I mean, 80 bucks is cheap for each one of them, but it'd be way more work than it's worth it to try to turn any type of profit on that. So I'm gonna pass on these as well. Bummer. Now, you know me, I like to collect grills, and to be honest with you, this grill is in fairly good shape. However, because it's in the premium lot, that drives that price up to, I think they want $60 now. That doesn't include the headlights, which are another $20 a piece. So it ends up making this grill not worth it in the end as well. So even though it's in good shape, I'm not going to really turn a profit on it. I'm not going to hang it on the wall, so bummer. One more thing to note, when you are going to a pick and pull in the junkyard, you got to be really paying attention to stuff because anything goes with these vehicles. You never know what they were used for. Who knows? So you open up the door here, first thing I find is a hypodermic needle. Now, it could just be that the person had used it for, I don't know, diabetic problem or something like that. But regardless, you still have to pay attention and be really careful about rummaging through these vehicles because you don't want to get stuck with the dirty needle. Okay, last but not least is how much rust is too much rust. Let's take a look at this frame. What do you think? Look at that patch job. Go around the other side, it's just as bad. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's a bust. Bummer. To add insult to injury, I'm headed back out to my truck and I come out here and this is the guy that got the hardtop. So hardtop was in good condition. That's something I definitely would have picked up. You could turn around and make money on that. But somebody else got it. Bummer.